Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use templates on TikTok. So if you don't want to create a TikTok video from scratch, you can just easily use the templates on TikTok. First, what you need to do is just click on this plus icon, and then to able to use the templates, you just need to click on this effects and then find create in here. Then here you can just see there are so many templates that you can use, so just choose which template that you want for your videos. For example, you can use this one right here, this one. So just choose the one that you want, like this. If you already choose the template, you can just take a photo or take a video by clicking on this red button. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.